Oh, a good woman is priceless.
Adom FM.
If you educate a woman, you educate a nation.
Adom FM.
Or how be a dower anymore. Who next obeche? She am a me a boa. What do 106.3? Butai ben kurane si wani so suku ko biana ejuma ye biana wo nim die bi na se wo pese wo de bwa o manyi se wo kunu so ma wonya e ma wa be mo ya ma me ebu esi edu oni na pamfo on Adom FM Obama we to pay Obama who crashe Obama when he does so my Nkommo
ni ring komo ni ending komo ebe wie na nsem bia e wo tirimu bia wo pe anu yie no na nyame aya atom na chese watimi enya anu yie e wo yemmo Nkommo eso ene ai medin ye family lady reverend mama ye boy see do obu frame ya obetimi afrem mansofo na ye koyenim ene ye be twitwe Nkommo na yesua nneoma bebre ade afa awasemu no kwasemu ni da bia meka sese wonware da woti se obi kana sema abo se ne wani abre den na wo ba we kura wanye ne yie be ma we wanye ne yie wu na ba ba jaage ne ade na so unya ware bia the first 5 years ne kura ba kira wo se ayaka se yie the first 5 years no e kira wo se ayaka se yie ene nyame adom ye betwetwe Nkommo e de afansem bia ye na koso last week we hanom ne nyina ye hwe ye nneoma Emma mema titi wo mutai lose interest ene ewo wo mo yire no mo kun ni mo relationships wo mo ko form ni mo twempena mu ni ade ana se bu okra ne yire a wo ne te nipa bebre lose interest in their spouses enti ni ye hwe de ebema abasa na no kwasemu ni ye hwe nneoma bebre no obi abrobro swa krama na no kradi Addis Ababa ni of mama de ne na jai ene said ye wunim no ene ye to aso ye to topic no eso na ya kana etimi aye de yie ene ye hwe o ugidi se ene emrante ne maba wa aba wiase Ghana hatitiriu ai say ye ja ye kradi ye pe ye kasa ye use wa hano de na se Ghana hafo enti ye hwe ene we asefo ana se emrante ne maba wa aba oma ye ready for aware e ade bia wo hwe a omo enije ho ana enti obi na atete so nkwa go ho na kwen ene zampa se corona e yesi ye kabai ye koyeni aha eti yehese emaya ene memua about this time oma ye ready ana uhwe oma ye ready for aware ana bibia di adanse yesese obi se okoware nipa no kra onim di wode ne ho akwakohye na do you think say ayana expectations no outweigh the real and I say the realities na eba aware anim na and say we don't even expect anything ene wo mu as nipa obi kan obi kra de ne na o say emaya ne and I say mrante ne emrante ne maba wa aba omukwaware mu bebre ho a omonnwen na de omodwen ho aye ceremony na celebration no eno ye wo so wadwen ana pepa cho send you comments new you views fafa your Facebook page so be kind kama edi amount and then komo aye nyoma ye betwetwe ye twetwe ho komo mpa cho bomodi ya se ujidi se ema wakura wujina wo hwa wa ready wohwa emma oma ye ready for aware wohwa mema oma ye ready for aware edie pa na ye nipa biggest challenge sika juma ne attitude and now because nyamesom pa ayira meeting your family lady reverend mama ye boy see do I said me di kaka no obetimi afrɛ me man sofo na ye koyenim wo frɛ me apacho address me mama sofo na ye koyenim hwɛ no amebo me din entu buade fa ni die ma de se ma bre yi ansana me ngosere awrade de aguma pampem tunim na bebo me din to ase amaka atew ye koyenim. All right, and then I me suffer Mama Jean Anderson was in a yamwa masabra ye kasenyina wo frɛ me ba kokro ye video call I watch him den when we see him with the na woman I say yo you know I do is level no enti enne was it ni yamwa masese I drew baby baby na I say mucus no one we do sa level no it is of mama me ayeko you know who ye juma bedru achina de na wani mu atwen fine na me suffer man suffer kama wo ha ndi hu na ase broni ni bibia hu na so broni ankasa enye obia se suffer Sandra Talata Ameza ene ono so ewa hanom ansana abrantie ba kwa menene ko esa so de ne ba obika ono ane de me ko no asa so de me aba so wote se menya corona nya obi ane de ma me adisa baba wo wura bia krofo awu no wura bia krofo kwafuo mu nchese meni o mahu adore ase ene ade ni nyina Addis Ababa adisa na wote se ona say no kure na me cover corona wan me ni obi anyina ho boni komo 2 minutes me come show so nko amenko na mete so we na wafa enti me se menya corona na ye wa
onyanso
menya ai o da bi mu de engosra nti na say me ga engosra na me kan ye so fo bi e so wo hifa say one of the African countries
Senegal ba ko
Senegal
dia no so
Sandra wate yes Senegal one of the African countries but yes Senegal see obi anya corona no afre no de ne segunu so no abo so atu kai na ni pa no ko no abo no so atu so for years afi hu na so for anya covid symptoms o say kai o fanya hwe wo yesu di mu wa yi every wa delete covid wa delete yes mu ye dia ye ko frɛ ayifo ne ye ba na so for da wa wo 1 and 9 if I doctor started so within 15 minutes. And Ojem no still the members and they say so for na it seems say he's communing with God. He told me the not to and omu bom nyine bom says of oko.
So for bye
Adisa nyanu ti na be kwa kwase ade dia ba be sami. No waka kire me say because we nyame 20. There be na wo de kan wa say ha me. Sandra darling, what I want to say? There are say, who so I fe. Soft brony. Una, nano, ukoye. Na one of the boys need to say, hey, mommy, na. Lady or by one shoes, and I'm saying, hey, you said we show their brofin number, so I'm saying, and then I can say, hey, na sister in the baby at so bruni, I'm saying, hi, and I guy a brofa a soft lady pastors in Ghana, Mr. Tasmemo Aquaba. All right, and I share and a topic. Do you feel say and your youth na ya ba Ghana and I say we are saying, do we even understand? That because do we count do they yes I want we be one madam mama at 52 you know your youth and do you think say omo aware say are they ready? A lot of people and baby ojine bia me share me prayer train any omo ehia ebompa ye omo ba me nchen for counseling baby me chere any idea any nyina radio TV and go for any meeting common. A lot of people are looking for marriages. We because say mommy I have everything except for marriage. I have everything except for this except for that. Do you feel say our youth, especially the women, are they ready for marriage? And do they even understand the concept of marriage? Any expectations, any realities? Okay. Me too.
Well, no credit, you realize that your generation way, it's more like obia e pentem enya bibi. Eti eba ni skakra ne enyoma bibra. Sesi a obehu young boy and a young lady. We school and beto aso edru baby nanka we ye adwuma na wenye sika no. They want to have it quick, and so they use other means to acquire. And it's the same with marriage. Sesiano, this generation ankasa no, a lot of things are going on. I had the biameka say the generation no is more like it's perverse. It's a very difficult say and call for a bit to me a chain or mubenya or chain. It's very difficult say ombenya sa or chain no. Eti so we young ladies of later and your monkwa any mbema ni nyina. Not all of them are ready. In a sense, we'll say oba ana bema die. Ye will level be a ese wudru ansa na wadwen aware. Wo de fa ne se oba. You should be able to get to a point who's a wankasa no why ready financially ejumemu se se awiase ayeden. Enti se oba wonya she na wokasa obeware a is one trouble and the other. And now mama now can be say ebi mu to make us say I have everything except marriage. Now I think that nyankopon wamo obia wonemre eba because me hu obia we di 50 years a waware a wasan ayeden awo. And sometimes it's not like ebia boni bi anase bibi na omo ye ya ekoba nesa. I believe that obia wonemre but nan say no ebi mu erashe wabra omunti ase ebi mo so ntina fie ma omunya nteteye sesi ano lifestyle no aye different obi tumi fifie ntem no wakotena baby nti onimu mpu se be ma wo ware be ma se wo ye aduane ma no se wo siesie fie oba se wo siesie
ejom kra ye one of the
na o de bia wo ye aduane ema okun ema bebre ennim saade no enti some of them sesi ano omuto injiane no wabonte ebi a stew ne aye de abramu ebi mu kra ni meduane ye
ebi order o
ebi mu so
say onkofo bi every day bia they order their food from
exactly
a caterers near there
sir
am say they aba no me transfer on Instagram no me dey abchere say they are eating we
exactly na ese omo normal
our easy on yes ya bre
easy intina enkofo so bre no because you see sometimes cheap things can be very costly because say order but the other things who does them is it every time and amubedi sa eduane no there are times you would have to give variety. There are times that you would want to take charge of the home. You see there is this thing that is lacking. Bemanikra be who say obano enya wo na wo ya. You know there's just this thing. He may be enjoying what you are bringing from outside. To say eduane. He may be enjoying what you are bringing from outside.
Yeah. Why you bibi na wo di.
Ebi mu nim sa de no. Men are like that. Nijemu and can yiri eje. It's something exactly. Enti Emma bebre no right now. It's more like Madame Foucault in TSM and Sumeko. And sometimes, no matter the condition their friends are in, they don't care. It's more like minka say marriage is more like a curse unto women.
Really?
Me say sana ebi mama na ye. Say
we will say curse ba.
In a sense, akwa say ebi mukasa is more like anya say we do gym no matter what. As a young lady, it will affect you.
Automatic.
Exactly. Exactly.
But I said anya case.
Sir, when we say okay, I think I used the wrong word. No obabi wo honoma. Ni age utumu so ye young lady no see your person worry adenya.
And kwala 21 20
ejamai suka ho
ejamai saying
in a sense at the moment no
enna yeah sex but say ejamai
well
suppose say unama kononti
sir
unama kononti sir enti wankasa ware wa wo de
minim but who say marriage
Tidipa no hwene se na ade ye tete aswa kofaria wo 16 years na no wo fa no satire e wo fie na
no will you settle for just anything? Well, that is that who say our
anything now can say I want to get
because anything I will say a mema and your baby be an ye worry Debbie won't and your baby be an ye worry no and your baby be also no nima worry well baby be a even if you crow film and sometimes first no nanka obi ko worry or much na chika kra no ma hwe say abodam wo fie ho o ma hwe say aware ekoso oh those kind of
side
enye be man on both sides enti as
abodam no dey two way
o mu hwehwe baby a ti say aware jaye be man no edu time bia be ma bi wo wa wo hu ni papa utumi hu say be man na wo ko ware ni sa no so te ti say me kun hu ni papa sa even send omo say omo suban bibia you know and so there are times
okay
eti no
omusu ne ban no
okay generally mean to mean but omo no sabi utumi hu say omo ni abie kakra because omo tsena like outside the country kakwa eti no omo ni ye different ni papa ye very responsible de bia ubeko fie like the way omo sit to omo ni oma and na de bia so ni papa chefie onko ejuma mpachoze ena almost no omudonyame won say san your man ewo baby ya na so no ebe depending on ebusia obekom and then na meka ye kan asem na ye kan ewe na obi serious na me say jama ewe pe na muni mumba north da won north so ebi wo hono I mean there are worse stuffs. I mean, you go to other places, like some of these places are Ebimudi Sika Ekotobeyi. You go to, I don't want to mention names of such places, but there are worse places than. What's say?
It is saying. Oh no! Listen, my soul.
This is enzima.
Oh
yes.
No. Do you have proof?
Oh,
I know.
Yes.
I know. Do you have proof?
I know.
Do you have? I was only pushing you. Do you have proof?
I know.
So because
I know.
A disclaimer. Disclaimer. Me me hu afu.
Enye onko baby bebre.
Any hifa bi. Any baby am uku eno musu free no.
Baby ebi wo.
Okay.
And afie bia so me feel say
kakra mensem kakra wo.
Yeah baby it no me feel say won say this generation ankasa no enam say obia epentem agi bibi nti no. Even aware so akoye say ye pentem obi wo a ontumi nhye no ho so. E wo mu say honam akɔnɔ wo ho enso tete no na enkofo tumi hye omo ho so ekakra. E wo mu say sebi na ebi mu ye ne ensem fata na nso no omo tumi tina se eboapo omo ho ansa na omo kwa aware enti oba enya ntete ye first no omo kire se ne oba obewo fufuo na wo kan wo na wo kan ba ene ema bebre entumi wo fufuo enka
otumi machine
just for
won
edai
omo tumi kra enka banko
just for won ene emenya combination wo dem one just for versus
enyoma bebre wo hono ma oba bi wo ho a okwa aware mu a ontumi nye enti enu sa ne si camp wo hono ma na afide omakwa akofa abia servants aba na servants yiso omo beba fie hono mo no some of these people they come and create problems enti no I think that ebeya anka oba bia entumi ensue bribi ansa na obekwa aware mu a wakọ enti
ansa na obekwa aware mu a wakọ aware mu
Udi 18 years, even 16 years, oba bi wo hono ma o mature ntem. Onimunioma bebre enti sene o kan ye no. O say sebi honama kono nti. Time bia otumi kom na so no o make sure say she's well built. O wo na dwuma bi nso a e wo nchen. Enya afi na mikun mami say esa pressure no so ebeda be ma no so.
Say mikun mami say no gina ba bia ukun no wo say. E no de ama wo say. Because be bi ho no kra o gi say. na wo ye den no akọ bi say
ebi was cancel mo ma wo
all right and aha no mo yeah hwe say me short baby a wo bia wo de waso ade afam ye e ma wo tie bi e ma ye obetimi so a connect yen via Facebook Adom 106.3 FM wo de fa ho no ma ye betie ni kama e de ama wo ene ye topic a ye hwe ne say ye busa say aso ye mabu no aba no o ma ye ready for aware ana na wo moti aware ase ana aya na ekwa akọ ye te say as ceremony no kofo bebre ani je ho ba je du aware na nkasa ho na aye ensem bebre eno na me guest edwudwam e wa hanom e ma ye na jese nyina yetimi akoyie bo dey asa ode waso ebefam ye am Rama Ajimai or say I'm watching you live me kind Facebook comments kakra and I also appear or say please is it live? Yes, it is. Mami Yafusia, or say my role model. God bless you. And Kobe, Eric Kobe, or say yes, it's streaming live. Hey, Nani Panwasha him. And says, who say, and there will be kind of a me say, oh, on am kwaso no who say, hey, or say, or son Diana, Yadiniku Atwadakam, Akatana so, but Umui, and yes, you know. Ti beti mama zeni pa we jam yesi no enti o huni pa te send ya Florence in 3 ways you say good evening ref mami yes darling and Osia apia as mommy God bless you Steven Annan dina boni mi you know say hello mami Sofo you are great too much may God give you more strength every day in Jesus' name. I'm watching you live from Italy. I'm Steven Annan. Okay. Good night. Okay. God bless you, my darling. Matthew. Minyanai. Minyanai. Obi say all because as Ghanaian pastor in UK has died plus over 60 something of the members affected. Hey. Okay. Ghanaian pastor. Ghanaian pastor be who? And you know, I know the Ghana ha. But we all say Ghanaian pastor have died in UK. And then the 60 plus members, 60% of the members almost are contracted. And I said the youth of today are not trained for marriage, but they are trained for school, unlike our predecessors. Okay. Trained for school. Yeah, sure. Maybe America said they are trained for sex. They are trained for sex. But said trained for school, baby, they call her school, no crowd, but come on, just a baby in Shadani. Adisa. Yes, why you ready for our day? Oh, now just me baby a general question. Why you ready for our day now?
Oh, me baby, I me want the America. Yes.
Why you ready for our day? And then what makes you ready for marriage? I feel say since you say when you banana anything on more. Say get ya na bonko ma boy. Ubeti. Na. Ebe wo de mienu ni nyina. Mienu ni nyina o feel say aware na duru hodi.
Kasi fufro bi ho. Me
why ready
emotionally my ready. Physically my ready. Financially my ready. Yes. Say mimi nkwandia and these are the things you need. And one now discipline, so you need to discipline yourself in all this to be able to handle it. Enti me party there my ready but me nko kan kire obabiazi my ready now be take advantage of the situation we don't rush into it. Nia obehia no so no woni no ebia mo be hwe afe for some time. Now you study each other.
Na afe no ye de.
Yes,
and na de ugo okro mu ba de. Ayi usisa lo sebuzanga yi abem papa. Yanko na go de. Yanko yi.
Nti mo be at least study each other. Yeah, mo be study each other to know. See, that is another way of preparing yourself. So ushe na nipa ne enye yi mawa and the enye nto enye ntia no you drop it. Say you okay so then you move on. So I think see in general no emotionally we are not prepared for marriage.
Emotionally, we are not prepared.
Yes.
Do you think emotions emotionally? But do you think say physically?
That's another thing.
Are you prepared?
Emotionally, among for a while, they are only most people are led by were led by their emotions.
Okay.
And they don't look at the reality. They don't look at whether physically they are ready or not, financially they are ready or not. Are they disciplined? They don't look at that.
Let's be constrained, mommy. What makes a person ready, especially a man? Say, and son, why you're ready? What do you think are the things that we should look out for?
Okay, we your bar.
That be forgetting mama who call the so
mama.
At the end, my bema you're ready for marriage.
Oh, bema.
Ube can be we know why you're ready. Omo muti enya be
why you're ready.
Ready. Unye ready so
one. Ese so benya adwuma woye. Wonya waketia. Eba.
Agwa we dissolve with you.
Say we see fro. Enu two. Wo baby ti.
Wo baby ti sen kan ye.
Ti say bema. You have a place that by the at the end of the day ubetimi akosi me then ni aha na ehye me kwa akoda
wonkwa na woda sa
sana wo be man na me ka se wonkwa
because ubetimi nya baby ti so now you obi na epeche
enye peche
okay.
I mean you as a person you have your own private place.
Okay.
Woda enu ho enu echi you look at say financial aspect in the mekai yes can ba no na obehwe si wadwemu no. Are you ready for marriage?
Wadwemu no say obi a waboda man na de omodam
obi wo ho a make us discipline no e ho na e be free say uyo obi a otimi hye ho so uyo obi a utimi adwin ekwa akiri utimi dia asem che uyo bia wabufu utimi hye wabufu so because abufu say eniyama bebre. How do you receive things and
react to things
utia no, those are all the things you must look out.
You should look out.
Yes. And one will say as bema we are cremonio we are christonio, you shouldn't forget about God. That is number one thing. So ushana me make us if you want to marry, if you want to get prepared for marriage there, you need Bible. Maybe it directs you what you should do and what you should not do. And you should also be prayerful.
You should be prayerful. Okay, with the total package, you know, Mom, in your view, because believe you me, and the people are getting married, and so they will be almost social media. Ubu ha social media no share maybe no aduane. O share say dey atompa. O share say dey communication skills akra obi share we so. Obi just say everything in marriage. How to yi akwala pampers. You can say how to yi akwala pampers, how to and you know bebre any idea. What do you think say obebia needs to have? Obviously said you can obebia any hono. I just only you were just like perhaps a mother and maybe your mommy will tell me now I was showing you anom ketwa and sana be waka say you unimunio maybe bebri and then never say ma hu ansa no mako.
Okay,
bobebu se mehwe
me no me say no me name me auntie
oh kono de na usua e de na na oni
me say metna.
How long have you been married?
5 years.
5 years, okay.
Yes.
Who could date how long?
I think say minimum 3 years, and then we dated for a year and a half.
Okay.
Wow.
And then we got married.
But I'm with our personal question. When did he die?
Oh, Edu di every answer.
Any say the answer na na
Debbie. Okay.
Answer na na
so me chant because it's complicated.
Musmuchi.
Bibisa like hard.
That I know why you're
Debbie, but no, na me wo.
Transition.
As of your friend is a
seminary. Okay.
And at that time, the seminar, I know the kind of person I am.
Musmuchi. Mention that fire for baby. Musmuchi.
Oh, I know, dear. Yes.
Oh, how
many times.
Oh, baby.
Like many times.
Because we are cross examination. Me yourself. Also yourself. You must have my me him. But also ni muna o terreno. Tie me o terreno.
Naturally no. Me ankasa na enye COVID intia. I like to always embrace people.
Ope hugging people.
Me pe hugging pa.
Ope hugging.
And but o
terreno no. O terreno no. Say waboja.
Of course. No. Not me nka on the side, but me no, I felt something, you know.
It's so waboja. So mama many man. It was so someone. So waboja kiana. Yes, of mommy Jean area. The boy born in San Jose.
Mafino.
So waboja. No, I had the
honestly, men kai ne de no but me. Every bibisa ba men kai.
Yes.
Ever crucify.
Man for 3 days penny o. Say so for send refi. Yanko. Oh, say why excited you cry answers mo. Yanko. It is so boy.
When they call John.
Safo. All right, in the answer beko worry no, what were the things you knew how to do? Okay. And I said you maybe are now aware of before you got married. And now let's be real, maybe real people. Worry, you know. What are some of the problems I won't encounter here who say, wait dear, you didn't know anything. When fashion and fan of Bible. Because you know maybe when your Bible
okay. Well, no correct. What's a Bible they ain't to me in film, even though I'm not going
to mean in film, but the person just said your money be said you
me starting with the fact that God instituted marriage.
All right.
And now or ba say ombeboa bema. Enti me no won say during the time I me sua san your man na me nim say me sua ama aware.
Oh, okay.
Eti I happened to be living with my auntie who actually was a caterer. Eti no I learned a lot from her. Now say most times, I mean, your friend is saying, or no, I salad cream, or your tomato paste, or those kind of things, pastries and all of those stuff. So I learned most of these things from her. Now, me papa ne me mama aunt na anche. Me nyi no me papa so ne me mama eti. Enti no me auntie nche na ema me kosua ye because no oni ni kunu eti. Na me sua enioma bebre me hu enioma bebre e kan say these things I wouldn't want to go through them, you know. Even with my mom's situation, any me auntie ho, a few things I me hu and I me say, hey, you know, I wouldn't want this, but I want this. I saw some of the things. Intimate me I say, Monsieur Fiomo ho, near Monsieur Bino e subain, you know, both from the man and the woman. Any ejiane, ebano ejiane.
Subain and Pacha elaborated.
Hey. The way Makobo mudini me who send a messia cano.
Oh no, Subain say, Ebia Baku say, because never now so practical. Okay,
let me be very honest.
Honestly, me program I am in penny.
Okay, the truth and say, a do time beer. Omu to me enya entokwa ho me auntie to me ka say yemfa empty bowls ne sisi tray nim ne yemfa nkosi ho ye de kosi bebi a ye di ne kunaduane si eti papa ne ba enam se me nso no na me na me ye adwuma wo fie ho ne ade no oba na me ni di nechi eti me hu no me hu se okobie otumi kra
empty bowls no na
hwe ni
and ya man aduane
ya kata so fine
so the ya man aduane na je se wan nya kon homa
no eya na minim ne ekofa ba
no na we ma
o baby eso no na hwe nim enti na se
wa ma kon ma no kon
sa edu time bi so obeka say fa eduane ni besi wo de bekwa kosi wo no obebi se okase fa kwa wontumi nkasa wo mfa nko enti wo be maso kwa kosi wa wonim se hwi nim enso wontumi nkasa hwi nim wo di si wo no obi eso ahwi nim enti I saw some of these things and I saw the effects and so I told myself say these are not things I would like to have in my marriage and then eduane noa na me auntie de oya de ochire ye nkola no eti eduane nua de it was a plus I mean say ubedi a wo kan ne sa nyoma no be kan banku be ye eduane obe siesie fie obe ye
kan banku
exactly and I mean so na me ana na me ye adwuma wo fie wonti enyoma si de en say obe siesie efie ahwe nkola ba ade ba ko a me no these things, you know, I don't have a problem with them in my marriage. And I can be very honest. So I know my husband is listening.
Nadia no sadia na nko ye obeyede no abeyina no. Wo de ekoso. You know who runs yes you.
No, the credit America. But adia ba ko me no mira aware mu no. Eye difficult ma me ne say. When we say me kra no me de be two.
Oh two.
Me de be two. Young people for ne say o ko aware mu a both sides especially Obama you have to be found financially in a way grounded somehow Tio you don't I'm not saying say pack money down but at least unim say you have an income generation source
meaning that you need to be working
exactly you should have something to do
but the woman says so being worried on so worry to the twas obi nya adwuma
exactly to say on so aware and apart from that me wo ye no it wasn't easy you know combining and kolani she
you at the same time
no even first one no can easy won't say tie and no
say Convocate what or Convopeni one into the Ocoso. So come on, dear. Sadia Bay,
not easy.
What
it was
it? Tell us.
Won't say after a war no, Ukun Quajuma. After the Wunkwa, and now Mimi say, me mammy ebe boame.
But now,
me mammy betiname or boame drew some
how many months?
No, to me, baby, 6 months. Second born, that was the first one because no me would. I don't know me. Second born no
but first one
no buy and no buy 6 months
and 19 just say o chere o say de adware akwala
yeah
o chere o say de enu aduane e chere o say de wa wunye
aduane ne de
da bi dem person just say wa wo hwa wo ba na wo nu aduane at the same time o ma me chere
o chere me ni nyina
enti hu with the first one and na wo de wunya wo ma me mo tra wo chen 6 months
exactly
yanko
now second
we adwuma mo multimedia now just 6 months pay unim ska dodo we can
the second one no you know second one ne dear no one shut down che no cry there it was just weeks because no me na me dware akola no bibia but difficulty in America they say combining because ukunu so ekọ ejuma and na me so I had a business it's business no eba form it's clothing I have a clothing line Talata clothing I'm on Facebook and Instagram I design. Oh, there be. Now I have workers. Me design.
You are rushing. And moderate. Me answer am tia na me buza question. O say you had me pesa me hwe ni nyina na ye hwe adwuma na ho ye no. Ye wi aye de ato ase. Na fe ya hwe Talata clothing. Did you have workers?
Yes,
time?
please.
Now one crofo. Until now one crofo I woni omo ye. Until now all you were doing was design.
No,
not designing na ye wodin.
Yes, at the time because who say there be me pam. Omuna like me and Esa me coordinate bibia.
Okay.
You are taking care of 2 kids, especially when the second one came. Ukumbeko ejimano wuna wufie wunkwa. At that time na me mama so I busy. Enti no ni me nche me nkwa.
Okay.
And na me no me mpe to say ebia obi baba betina me nchen wo fie naturally no me mpe sad
we are here
me I like to do everything on my own.
By yourself.
I have sana mete inti no say obi ya de no cry I feel like esa me so me sanye biom enti me ana na me ye bibia enti me hwe nkola me enu ni nyina we enti e wo mu a na me mame abeboa kakra but me no aware mu pa no eho and I may have a difficulty, to be very honest. It wasn't easy. It's a drew on after they're washing, a problem. Even sometimes cooking, and you're easy.
But another 90% were washing machine.
Who say? But who Syria? Who say after the machine washes? You would have to.
Who use wash? Me use
you would have to. Say you would have to remove them. No, I could dry it. Dry you bring them back. Iron. Even Bobono. It's ever do time be me no. And your money me free dry line so I made buy it me go. Akundwem table akundwem etumi kum for a while no obeba no wabre na juma no I wouldn't want to explain weekend otumi ye juma there be weekend say weekend dear or ya dear ebedu time be enkola no ono na be show during weekends then I will go and chase my business to make sure say sika ebebe fie it a do time be otumi leave ni san your man me no our side no was very difficult and hona me who say our enye easy like it's not everything you will know I just say ura inside
a lot of people complain about finances.
Exactly. In fact, and also no is a problem because who started war? Won't say when you have some money, kakra, won't see us here. Obeji say award here is just like taking care of to say wow, to make cover. But when a child comes in, it's different. Say obeyaria is trouble. You are buying diaper, you are buying their foods, and your kolebia na woman no just normal porridge. Omonum say do time be normal bread. They want something else.
It would any day na mom. Because so near. Oh, say boy, you bad na near who have your free.
Both of them, no, I breastfed them for like 6 months.
Were you able to do it?
I was
exclusive.
Exclusive. I did it. Because now I'm a busy person.
Okay.
Oh, me can still so and when I say me keeping me who need.
It's not so for
Oh yes, and
really. So treat the main course no. Cause
me keeping me home because me no breast milk no eye me nyai. I try to keep myself neat.
Now party.
Yeah, me party. Even
me am wood that
breast parts no. Yeah, me will be said your cotton shimwa I flower to wipe away now they are too brand new. Now they are during the time no it was more like afina you will spend money on a lot of things. And at that time no war ban it's difficult unkomba and a meno menye ejuma to say unconform more corporate institutions that they get money even when they are on your friend say leave sometimes no after you are depending on only the man eti ono ba
so no so adwuma nkoyia na ha adwen
banyame Adom on de na se ne de kokaka
enye wo me kind of generally
no but it's actually a problem minimum ba bia or say omo ware ni kun se se a ohwehwe sugar mommy because ohwe ni phone so ni kun atwa screenshots of wako sugar mommy page bi on Facebook or say ni kunu nti ofre me say onim ni obeye na ye mompa ye ija where I stand intino it was even difficult to talk about this because ukun say ohwehwe sugar mommy ye be any den me na me command iska be so no anampa ye be ne ye bebo say see anso ma ware muti aware ase so what are you going to do well intino financial situations no it's a big deal in fact and then I make catch my sorry ma say e be do time be even getting diapers for my kids was a problem
now we drink diaper
I'm telling you and
better for daddy and Nkommo bebre o hanu ma ye nyina ye sua wa hanu
ministry mu enti na afedie it was difficult
Matthias here made of me enkoso nipa bebre send omo views e wa hanu pa obi say madam your excuses are not enough if you know how nursing mothers go through in the United States each day, you won't be sitting there saying those things you are saying. Your mother was there for you for 6 months. And now Obi can
no, and I wasn't there.
Oh, obviously, sir. Obi Fele say. What Ghana had the anya we have we say your friends and family bia once in a while bet me when you be aba show back one share anyu bibia to say there e wa abrochire bi no mo gym ni sini ade on correct Danny and Sari or say I was watching from Maryland USA or say may God Almighty continue to bless you and your family woman of God bless you too obi say amen Vincent was Madam Moderator I think your entire program, a friend, a young monko, and interview. What? Yeah, Nkommo. So you get my show well. Who person tia, who person tia. So I know so yeah another thing. But your friend yeah Nkommo. In your interview session, you are not making the show but we are interacting. And your community. So wherever I need to interject, I will. Although Tema, I say I'm enjoying your program. Keep it up with the good work. I bless God for your life. And Efwa Kwabwa. I say well done to you all. Adom FM watching you from UK. God bless you so much. I say married thing. Only God do peace. Adisa Baba. Do you feel send? A lot of Sandra can a lot of the challenges, especially mothers, because they are working. Now you're being a wife, the challenge of being a wife, and then being a mother as well. Do you feel so with the kind of freedom we enjoy? And they said you'll call ever any idea. We've heard that a lot from people. If you say marriage is easy, and men say they can manage there because they tie down now. Women tries to tie them down by the marriage thing. Do you feel say are you up to wait me now? Reverend,
I say you need to discipline yourself. That's part of the people. If you're not disciplined.
Yeah, actually with you. If I say be with you, and I say a lot of most guys, I wish that in how to, because obviously remember be brain they are trained like boys.
Yeah, mini shine.
Be in a ba e wo fie na won no hwe TV opie mia o change channel no ne ade. Oh we wan no adane maame. Adane papa. Na wo fie. Na the wife is expecting say obeso ne be mu ama no. Obe boa no. Obi wa anajo kra oba no pese oda kakra. Na baby ni ade. Do you who feel say be challenge ama wana?
Any challenge unim. I have last time I come I say many appeal for our problem because they never like me. From day one, me offer mama tena na me and omo and I ma at least by 5. Omo afa fro. I was the only person with them. Omo wo ye and I jokura me baby mother. Oh, afa bi mo. Ni baby mother until to a point I become used to it. Obi ama we wa hanu. Obi say Rita Winson, I think say wadan for Winson Osman, or say Reverend Sandra is an outstanding woman, a young lady managing ministry, marriage, children, business. She's trying pa. Everybody so how much now be join mo. We dey you be go feel. You be go sketching. You be go. Me the camera be go.
Say there be na for them.
They know. The things I go through, how I take care of my kids. Me, I do everything.
But are you able to juggle all that?
I try.
But you can do it anyway. Bible so bet my nyame kan ho abetimi.
I try.
La missy Adams was a mommy boy. I love her no nonsense nature. Of course, nyafi na baba etchetche adwuma bia. Pretty Makafui, God bless you. You see, my problem with viewers obi honma. Oh yeah, on share until the dynamics of the show. That's it. It will be of say, yeah, kasa nipa no transidin. We are Bo Nkommo. Your friend say yeah Bo Nkommo. And so I baby honma. And no cry na man there no yeah. It's my tackle ne kakra no so boaf no so preach me aba. Na ma so out if you now enjoy. You want us to sit down. There are a lot of boring shows and confidentiality. And if you want to listen to our show, listen to it. But interview Pretty Makafui. I say God bless you all. God bless you. And Adeline, I say mommy, I'm watching you live from live and I'm enjoying it. God bless you to Samuel Somwa. I say Rev, thank you for this program and I'm learning something. K from Kaswa Ofanko, okay. And Efialis, you say mom, God bless you. I'm watching you live from Spain, Barcelona. God bless you. Ochewa Naomi, I say good day, I think. May God bless you. My mother, good work too, darling. Sounds with mommy. Doris Jand, I say God bless you, ma. Sandra, sorry for any number. I did so far that today. So I Reverend Irene Aqua Swansea. Oh no, so I'm sure you're sorry, but I say Reverend Sandra is a wonderful woman. God bless.
Praising you.
I also for one man high Emmanuel Ghani, say good evening, my godmother. Nice program. Adom FM, no size. Please keep up. And I'm watching you live on Facebook. I am live in Winnipeg, and I'm just also Facebook now. What so I'm learning a lot as a young lady. We thank God. Another one from that sorry. Fanuela chosen. When is winning? Reverend Sandra is an awesome woman. Thumbs up. Enyo as a mommy, I love you so much. Enyo, I feel you can care. Adisa, here we are saying somewhere. Who say we did way? Do you feel say with your freedom? Mami Musa, practical question. Cannot correct. A dear new weakness. I who say we feel say banner on your batia, and I only see a grand practice baby watching. A money complaints in the business saying. Just from me, cram it to me about 7.
And you see, a big vacancy me time in Mamo. Time there is one of the biggest a year.
Time in the sense that's what about fear better.
Oh, Ebi I do fear na diasa. Means to me da. Ebi I do fear kuranami yet be on me machine so. So at the end of the year, I think say yeah, Mikasi is one of my biggest.
Wow, fear baby, I would say. Are you able to do your chores,
Reverend? I mean, Kaisi me my 3. I catch them see they can marry me because me pediani no fear.
What would you mean with
Diani be any one mean dear. Me mammy, Ubedia walker. Radi, mammy, so I
told you no Adriani.
Me no Adriani.
Okay.
Diani be a minimum. Would you chance him? Me, hey, demo.
Now, what's that chance?
Oh, that was it. My lips are dry. Oh, it's Alice, the why
what's it?
Chance
to be a man.
Chance.
Adisa, what's let me show you?
Yeah, you will lie. Kai guru. One gonna need. Intino.
What's it? What's it?
One gonna need.
That be somebody in me. What's it transim?
Chance me chichi me daimu. Adwaye ni
we dry.
My dry ni bibia me ana me chichi.
What me here?
Oh yes. Uba me feel Rebecca cho. Nyama bi o I say it's part of me. I can't stop.
Banipa bebre say and mema bebre do it. So omo warrior.
This is the thing.
Na omo jai.
Thank you.
Ono kwati obesi nioma.
Me
ono kwati
my bida.
Oye bibia. Na so dwa ware mu a. Na we tell nyina abon nyere so.
Onim me wo na I was dating one lady some years back. Okay. I some now okay no. And I think say that is one of my weaknesses because me need time no me need time. Enti until ebra menya time na me di ye ma ade. Ono nso no obeye as a timer me nye ready.
Okay.
Because me nkwa na me tenti no nyama bi wo ho a ebra me ye yi.
Akonwabo eye easy man wana.
I don't have problem with that because Obian Sunka.
Are you giving? We are good with giving, and
oh yes.
We share. To me, we could tell baby. I know you're better share.
And when me sika no, me sika baby. I made it to remember we. Until you obe be a koi.
Yes, I almost the 2 hours. Yeah, I go for music and this one.
Oh, and yeah, see me remember when the situation. Say, any you know. So if you are demanding, demand within.
Within, no without.
Within. Say, you know, me make no cry. Say, and I don't even to a point no me ATM. Me bra correct me use because me code there. I say me training me who say I should be used to that. Say oh, me hear until the person took advantage of me. But still,
who took advantage?
I see.
This is about to be taking advantage of. Young boy, nim, made up for Sabre Bremo and I so chere me wadwen kakra. O fele se ne me de se nipa me nu wo hanu munyina young people. Ba ko aware ba ko wa this about the onware ye. Ne so okay.
How many years he had?
Can I mean can't again?
Why?
Aka why? Mami call me pesa on so baso 0302216561 0302216562 friend any shade o feel say ne and the marriages be breaky so mu komo so full of happiness obi aye so joyous oh mato we ye no matter the measure we yenya wa munya wari we ya na dodo na asem kitu be ni eja ye hwe say people ready enti enne no ti na me ma me so for Sandra or a young woman on so aware for 5 years penny but she's doing so well ade ba kwa mpe one say she's juggling a lot of things and so at the same time she's making her marriage work. Of course you nkomu ye be kwa akohwe ni pasa woman na kwa wa bo awura ho say e pese me Johnson ma bodada enti sabre pa cho bremo and yenso yenko she's doing so well until you hear say enti na ma bebre my husband cannot help me mommy I am so tired in fact can you imagine that I go to the office and I come back and I have to wash, I have to clean, I have to cook, I have to do a lot of things. So if he can't also do it any we should call it quits because you see mommy my mother didn't raise me like that and oh you hear that a lot.
Yes.
Oba.
Hello, mommy. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Sweetheart. Your first and I got a friend.
Your family Naomi.
Now, friend. All right. Now, but your mammy to kakra, right?
Me me wo ba to fa nya mi sha pa. Mama o de so ko.
Hallelujah.
Mi sha no ta. Ba mi yeah.
But your family mammy e bo say do you want ko fa obi.
Mammy e bo ampacho.
Me pa cho me nya enwu ye. Me brenzu. Yanko yani mamu fie mi o na me nya papa sa. Ai, obviously watching life from Aguna Swedu enjoying it pa with tango. Hello.
Mama.
Remember, but your first and I got a thing.
The parents in the
Oba na bema.
Oba, I the new could kaka.
But your first saying.
Messi.
A day?
Messi. But
you, Messi, but your mammy too, why?
But yeah, lady Nikan, and no cray. No cray, all can. Yen and I am yafe go my head with you. And a mom and pachu.
So lower radio, no kaka, lower radio, lower radio, no man.
But
Me too.
Mom pachu, and that guy is also. Even on new day, you are come oh, only on mood day to send a bear. Yami Bima, Nayami Adomana, our yaba. But Obi or Honoma, only know how Wakumu finds someone and know. It's not so on 82 on you.
Oh, chiti.
Aha.
Okay. Oh, you.
And ma, but a wrong say, only Obi or now, first, send or no tenor. After the one say a swati. Now, Ubi son say, eh. She said, then they'll call. And I say, sending which means saying actions. Also, this is here actions. I can start to say, in Pakona, a show, fine be.
Oba made us a brainty, I may you know. The open search and say, I didn't in a many be on man anything. As one foul serious. A nipa me no worry. Into no corner, ye baby warren me be na, when you want to say me jay. Samson now also Oba warren be one hona. 1 pounds was a soldier into Jana and your body. What I say? Hello.
Pacho, good evening.
Good evening, me Pacho first and I got a friend.
Pacho, Tazi driver for Papa moving for FMH.
Me, we are singing Tazi driver back up and wa Pacho Yankas and me Bempa.
Pacho, many are Ababa, and ask some no Canadian. A man about me.
Bempa Pacho Pejanica Cramami, why?
Pacho, you say, many are Ababa, and ask some no Canadian, I know correct. We were if you be on it, you didn't pay if you be on it. If you're banana, if you be on it, I can't pay on two. Open a young restaurant and you could. Well, you see, on the time cheaper and a bit that can. This can be war, Coco Garden, Craig, Coco Research, which you did be on this mode. Mutu baby ya.
Yo.
Baba.
And your sister Mod and Adam Funyami Shramunina so Madam was a papa Sabre me Miss Dugan. Miss Dugan or Akosombo International. Miss Dugan baby I will be I want Felix Michiamo papa Nyame Unshramu Ankasa. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, me ben papa chef first and I can say you.
Hey, William James in you spent so.
Yo, James, mommy too, why?
Yeah, I Bakono can find Papa. All the man at about money is one per year no.
Eh no crew, I quite do
for 1 year of audience channel. And your one your own packet. Change your mother too much. And now abuse so the American people, me 60% now more than have. The great data and your Baba could do about it was said. One would do two, American children, no one would do two.
To the opposite channel, say, Obano see, and then I only be man or woman. Opposite say,
one did two crowd, the Tibet more than 3 days.
And yes, a man so
we that you also students. I mean, my students are
about for 3 guests. What didn't
yes, a man about the for so steady time.
Okay.
One Nigeria, one Nigeria, 2 Nigeria, so steady and summer.
Nigeria and Boame Kakra, Obeden, when Nigeria.
Aha, said we only have you, but yes, you do. I said, I'm naughty. What I'm saying, what do someone or I have someone I do as a cold over some movie in January.
Just said, oh, and why do so not anymore? There's so not the yeah, oh, James. Me fellow to what say? Na me shaw, as a man, what the idea na anti-free fee for washing bay. Na prove one son, Adiaba. And Papa from hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Papa, but your first and I got a thing.
Mammy, I call you as a fisherman.
Mammy Pacho be one on a cacawa, what the end I did. All right. Now,
Pacho medium person, they come on here. Self-discovery. Discovery.
Yeah.
As every individual piano before so be worrying, you need to discover yourself well. So make me any pabe. A day na me pay. Again I mente. A then I bear my ear be bufu. You know what excites me, what makes me happy. You should be able to draw lines. We know.
Mami nyagwa.
Yes, ma'am.
But you program na frame what? Mama menka se minchiro. Sa self discovery sa hweyanto a nipa bebre wo mu discover mo ho enye automatic ye won crofo bi ho a mo ye introverts no e easier say because you make us say introverts you are quiet a lot of you also do researches and that no and you are able to deduce anoma but omo kasa no de obekasa akogura ono agro on discover ni ho enye se bbc and ebia bibi ato no and a free horn mono. Now where who say, oh, okay, make I can do this. It is handy and any automatic. Any be momo mutimi hunu pana yobia. Wako school kakra. Especially be a more wakwa do school pon. A horn moon son, I'll bet me who say,
no, and I always say, and yeah, no, it's a life experience to me, Guama, who discover. And there are certain ages who how grew up. And it's very difficult at that time, no, who said, the whole you. It won't say you can't know the whole you yet as you are growing now. But your age is due. It's too early for you to know yourself.
That is it. Sana American.
And American say
they should enjoy their singlehood.
Exactly, and maturity will help.
Do you think that Ghanaians and young people are ready to even stay? Because and last week near discuss wahano. Nipa bebre no free SS no call uni and tertiary be and say
we don't give ourselves that time. Exactly. We don't give ourselves that time. It's not reverend come say or worry the difficult aspect of childbirth. I had a lot of time my singleness. For myself into self-discovery there me to me discover me who papa and I had so much fun.
Also, my memoir, so one problem so so say check kakra so where you abo sa fe no wa sensen. Why to say?
Oh,
for dia
baby I was saying I'm talking about say you need to grow with your age. One people who ain't until like you are 50 when you are 25. No. And not helping my no. You should grow with your age. As you are growing, the things you should know, what you shouldn't do, what you should do. You should learn.
Bama me to us here. You can in your true, but San your man so no. Sex BBNC, and any penny and yes, I experiences, baby. I know. A relative, depending on your background, any the things you've been through, and no bet me actually say, you for me whether or not say, where discover because our idea. Who see what na see 1,000 times cry, you won't finish knowing yourselves. Hello, Mama for last call and half a studio. Hello. Oh, Papa, your first and I can say, okay, you, Madam, oh, free here, and then so more area, no, Yanko, Casa,
Pastor, me worry more bad. Number problem ka crowd. My system, 1% make a show now.
Now, person, who a problem way?
My brother.
Okay, I tell a long story.
Pacho,
and in Pacho, me, we are made the number bet to one of our friend.
Why, Mom, Pacho?
Okay, what do you say? With the mamma mouth, break a crack.
Pacho, no. Yeah, 6 now. You know, you're 6 by mammy, Papa, you. Mammy means you pay down a crack. Pacho, me say, they 6, they 6. So I'm we are 6. And now, my brother, me just a penny. I am no idea, and my brother so for any no idea about no shy. I sit to them no bia. No juma kuye, and I mean I'm your last born. I'm your last mama. She juma. I was an pony, but me my I just started be.
No person chance and it says a new man koso.
No man koso.
And I will share bushi anymore. I say a webushi anymore. Oba Pacho Yamina Mekate, lying on her cat. It would be we are frame. Name of the me person chance say, I did be a friend case and case it debia a year recurrent. One who's idea with humanity. It seems why at the same time, the same sequence, the same a story, any idea, and not you know say bibi na wow okay, we say we share bushi anymore who says I will be a dear tear. Nyame so di onko ye free you. It in one say we be sorry, but the woman say you want paibo, you want paibo, you di be any so. And you want paibo, you di enya because a growth and as a spiritual growth. It will quite sorry normally na ye church on ye. But if you need to seek the face of God, uko hinta na fi wa bompaye. Timpacho our edge you say join the prayer train. Said you wuni muno debi aye bompaye. Se si akwa de Martin na no so. First day 7 days. Ni be wie no. Nipa bebre na nkrofo bebre say omkwa adwuma. Nti se si ayate so ye no Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. We patch your time no 12 midnight. Baby it is said the wakwakoda baby, wakoda atwea, okobompaye. Nyoma gidi and things are happening to the bompaye. Be we so obetimi afrem. Why? Na ye must to do na yintimi enkasa me number no 0302. So the my number is 03 0207 939870 0207 939870. Mama come messages kakra bi na me studio na me crop way so almost how many happen mama obi say mommy I'm enjoying God. I say Rev, God bless you, but your mama friend me can't say here. For the good work you are doing. You are the best. Okay. Press lab watch. I say, God, good evening, beautiful mommy. Good evening, my darling. I mean, so. And Obi say, I'm watching you. Press lab watching. I'm watching you live from Paris, France. God willing, tomorrow we will meet on the prayer train. Okay. So see, the whole world over is connected to the prayer train. What you want to hear then? As well as sorry, what's it? That's one sorry. BBNC. Bible say. What's the name empire? No, I'm a radio Jumayu. So, why you now to one of say, BBS, BBC. I have learned a lot But I have a story. Nene, but Chobomodi I say I know a frame na wakacho me. And I Joe Ebenezer or say I always learn something different from your program. God bless you, mommy. God bless you. We say I'm watching you live from Teacher Mante. Okay, God bless you so much. Usia appear say, mommy. In fact, you make my day. Good job. Okay, God bless you. And I'll be saying this program shouldn't be only. Shouldn't be only on Tuesdays. Okay, God bless you for the good job. I am enjoying the program. Papa. And please, mommy, your number again. My number is 0207 93 98 70. Wait, me cry 0207 93 98 70. Me enya so phone dey be mami me ma hu 0207 what's that dey no
say voice na me dey kan
me na voice abde ya ba studio na me crofo aka kakra na mo mpa cho me dey ketewa bi a me dey kan ansa na me crofo awie say we ade ba ko mu no say ye wa ware ye wo ehihye ya say obi aye. There are prerequisites to marriage. First, said the Addis Ababa ka onye adwuma onso aware. First na ye mema nko a ene wo ba ka ho because ene Ghana head in chen first no. Enti se bema woni adwuma onso aware. Oba woni adwuma onso aware. First na oba be ka se me twe se bema bi beboa me na waso me nsa na o ma misikaram de ayadwuma na etwam. Enti se woni adwuma ene na che se bia wako school. Ti wako school na bia okuta certificate. You are waiting say e bia obenya adwuma. Na no kra no se adwuma maya. You create something for yourself. In marketing your fabi be new need. Ubetimi awankasa you can create a need for people. Ade bi ho ankrofo kra adwuma so start something. Mentena se because ene be masika kakra basika kakra na etimi de koyanim. It is a one planning ya. Aware anya de bia marriage doesn't just happen. It is a wo kwa ware mu na se wo just like that. You will suffer. But then it's a planning ahead. Ubekwa ko remu no ubehu se nioma bebre even though difficulties be but ebetimi easy up. Ade ba ko e den tokwa ba ware mu pa yesikasem. No kwase mu hu se obi sandati a o kan e wose ni kun tra broche ni papa ni kun papa no nyina tra broche eti obeka he bia na sika kakra wo fie eti ano no ko hu oba bi na nanim sere ebu ho kra na se be ne nkwan kra anye de na nso sika wo fie enti oba smile ni kun smile because bia sika wo fie na nso se sika no Bible empanifo say an angry man o say a hungry man is an angry man obi bia na woni sika bia it shows on his or her face enti one plan kakra nsa na ko mebe how enti you need to first of all be working we be man so only place of your own that you can call a home one rent and say bia dan bia wa wasi so timi see a plus but untimi see ya no problem but unni ufie ya be man na onso aware how enkotiti obi a ene biem oba wonni mu fie ade ye hwe ade bi wonuma ubetimi akofa made kra ubetimi akofa obi so meboa wo fie. It is what you know inside your head. I don't know how they train pano. So if you don't have anything in here, at the end I'll be training pan arrange my things like this. Yeah, my flowers they say cleaning if say because they won't. If you don't have anything in your head, it means I want to worry. And young wofenya who see and yenta come and yet workers here and yan networkers who will be in fact a bema who can so who anentio wako suku who nyoma ebema kunkura nyache because he will enjoy you to the bit na mum se wonni mu fia de ye by man every man wants to come home to a clean home. Every man wants to come home to a tidy home. Obiansu unnim said ye kasa. You could have all these things we are talking about, but unnim said ye kasa won't worry aswensi and how both ways or bad be menina unnim said ye kasa won't worry unnim how to do chores. And listen, first pan mema nyina ntie ne yie first ne aware ane atete efikasie mu me auntie ne me cousin ne wennie so people help us out. And it is not like that because ebi ha edan na woni abaya ne ko ha na mkotenam woni ne pene wo mu oye adwuma wonso ye adwuma it is okasa obegya efia de nyina abone so na wasanso disika sanso beboa wo fie when ye na se wo bu ne kwase a you need to help your wife out. And it is not even helping. You need to do some of the chores. It is wakwe juma ban so akwala animu. Now we in cleaning. On your dishes no on wash it. So we yiri si nyoma kwotran nchen. Si second one on a hata. Eno ne friend aware o. Na itimi aboa enti de bia bo se nipa no aye less stressed. Na so se kobane se de bia no you don't do anything. And a Ghana for men man I think say it's about time say pampering no yai too much. Because these same men mo kwa brochira mo boa mo yerenom mo kodura brochia mo no aduane mo kodura brochia you do dishes mo kodura brochia mo toto groceries mo na mo shopping ni ade nyina ade ba. But why is it that you put everything on the women? It's a baby no baby wawari enku kra onya time po no de asra nku na ne body cry fine wa dreams and train nyina etutu na wo wi waka se oba ne ho nye fe no wakosi abonten sa wo kwa ware na se unnim sa de onso waba what attitude nya nko yi uko bi fie wonnim nchia wonnim sa de ye related to in-laws ne ade wonso aware o ha what you say? And I wouldn't say ye nini partner sikasam or buy a juma men kase ma menim papa no say or buy sika ya no ade dia mikuna so ham you see I wear my husband has to take care of you. Yes abre no etwamu eti oba de kakraba na be ma de kakraba oba wutiri ade ya wonso aware be ma wunnim how to share wonso aware. Enti nyo maybe one you look at all these things na afi etimi aboa and afi e mema no sua de baako ya ware ma said ye caught you outside the omu pie the cotton restaurant echi go omo so ma feel good once in a while the omo go shopping no sa na ware musu ye no eti men kofa wo kope me di bia betre fi no wa watch fi ama wa but kofa girl no because this girl is used to being taken out once in a while. So first na be on kwa tintin na de be okwa out as say ama ware but at least once in a month and as once in 2 months once in 3 months fane ko tena baby kakra na sa nwumre no munidi out na ma oba no so feel good kakra they just say we na share them why to say prisoner in the confines of that four corners na wati umu no watena mu sa 7 years na wako chinya ba wako bo afuma e wagwa mami no wa ba betrase nyame betua oka aha na na yedi jumani ni si mami mrana mi sweetheart mpa choka last words na fe yenko 2 minutes bre na so.
Okay, let me say Lady Bako Kasano can be about discovery but me mekano in a different way, you know. You know, discovering your purpose in life as an individual. Nipe bia nyankopon ama ye bibia apart from our ye be ye Bible say odi asasini emu ni mama Adam no na obo oyiri ema ne say omo ano. It means that as an individual there is always a purpose for you. I would, for me, my final words are that Obani be mebia omo discover omo purpose in life. Ebia wo would ye say engusrebi wo so say obeye sofo wo pese wo ye banker, you want to go into a particular field. Now apart from say wodo ana wodo bi no, where is the person to say sometimes in marriage, you know, what conversations do you have as a husband and wife
in marriage? Before I'm na say discovering before
some be warrior and I'm warrior and come be na mu bedi e twa say enipa mienu no you should have a common goal exactly enti no say wo hu baby a wo no say wo gina wa braboni mu ansa na you even think of apart from a fie nyoma ne sa nyoma no you should also know where you are going ansa na enti say e bia wo ye sofo na ukwa worry or baby, you know, you and as of mama na worry baby, you should know how to go about things just in so that you can balance you know things, not peace about worry.
I mean, papa, my darling, but say honeymoon so no me bet na say e gina bibi so it said the uko school for first degree and no cry no ejuma ubenya because most of the time first degree cry now obi wa ukoye no because of doing sick but ukoye say marketing say HR say D who start here no and na where really you belong
exactly
anti aya na nheda anye ade bia obeka say you can easily and it depends on your background
it's na edu time be say enya ntoboase kakra
that is it
na you to me identify
because yes obeka say where do you belong because if something nothing happens to that person ebi wo kra nipa no enye easily identifiable ebi ni mu te say gift say say nyum to say onim kasa to say and on there it's easy.
I also strongly believe that in the pursuit of purpose, that's when you meet the right person.
That's it.
That's what I think.
It you show purpose and sign where she any part.
I think it's very and important.
Also you be discussing one of these days. Near her say purpose no. Area be.
Eya be mu lazy in discovering their purpose in life. And also
lazy.
And I say the push.
Yeah, what temperamental traits.
Okay.
Nipa na temperament makes 90% of him. It is that the temperament na chere na ho keka kura wo de yade. Obi wo gift 1,000 times ebro yan yade so. Enso nipa no pese de ote no. O friend no be kwakwa. O fa wade Nkommo obi opamade pa. Na so just one no kokon san na wakoje on. Into na temperamental traits it play major role. And this I can
last week me ka the same thing. Me see mami phone mboa omumboa ma no. Omuma mweni nkoma no ho. Omuma they should I say titi omuye. Most of them are not cultured. Most of them, if you journey, omukasa kura enyam, ebon ena adie kura omuni ma adie yo. Intimi sema me for no. Omu from and yes, and they should stop the luxury marriage. You know, that is what is killing us. Obia pesi, and I want my marriage to be like this. I want my wedding to be like this. I want it this way. I want to wear this. I want to wear that. That doesn't make marriage. It doesn't make marriage. Yes, I say, when you the purpose of the marriage. Wedding so cause I got travel now we bo. And now we had I feel I done in Tokwa and I want my daughter to be like this, my daughter to be like that.
So we should cut it. The last Rabna Santua I or Accra Hanum Utie and papa Rabna nya you won't share papa baby I will be. Now I wish send coming baby I wanna come here come home. Sansona somewhere Jesse or also Accra FM. I will share who say Accra FM my honor woman. Then so who say FMB Ebru FM so it will also Utie and power Samo nyami wonsha papa nyami sha Accra FM fo nyina so nyami sha obi biara wo jebre na wotie show yi eti amaye mo ka ho bi na ye show yi number 1 every Tuesday bia baby I tell a friend to tell another friend said bia ye the show ye the bro every Tuesday na so come ato him Susie Herbal for na eboa yen ansana Susie Herbal Center for omone producers of CB men and women capsules. Oba wasibe koye, oba unya discharges bia, unya itches bia, untientiemu or necessary bia, unkasa why you know in wish she bia, any idea be pamu ukun and your get. And your boy, TNE, any empacho, and one CB women capsules. Sansona CB men capsules de be ma he bubi hon ma na de mo pa mi no se o me be wonta for pacho yare na yare bomodi akọ kwa GB sansona mo a ebia ya hye okatita emma o kodwo so a yuso ne ma de friend shamoba no ti agi se ye de hye hon wadwo so e de afem obi so a wodwo so mpo a wonte obi so hon ma je se wo chim sa obi so kura hon ma wo discharges bi ni ade wo ye be ma wo discharge na da bi be ma wo your ban when you white but modern say obokwa kwaje CB men capsules na etimi abo any urinary tract infections bia ne ho enyo bia de wadro any CB men capsules ne mum wo pese wo ye pedicure na 19 year kama any ade na obia wotimi de share sandals papa e de kwa yase dia eno ane CB soap e be yi na ho kama ma koma etimi ato yem from e was 0247 111-671 0247-111-671 Nyami shira mu nyina asa mo jebra mo hwe mudi tie ye yes also na mum sofuma me Sandra my beautiful lady rev nyami shira wate ansana Addis Ababa nyami shira we sujafo nyina and shine aqua the handsome shine aqua ne hwe etise adra and your friend say Jamestown Jeko onye di patwa ono oba ye for some time wo hwa hu se Facebook na to so enti se na bedi de no time no na bedi de odi abodwe set ha no obesere saa enso na ade ma enti se Jamestown we too much what I feel you, Rob. Me bon pa say unkonya coronavirus bi ankoko. Yes, be around for us. Nyame enhira obi bia wo je bra. Wo hwe nyame ya adoma o chena na obeso kan se bia. Okay. You. Nyame enhira wo ntimpacho bibia nyame adoma next week. E besa yet another beautiful one. Ye bon pa say bedu na so for mama Gianna Anderson. Now wait me Abba. No, sorry free. Adiana or so. So mama me I hope says Sabri, you finish with the last one for the day. Nyame